Have you ever wondered how the audacious dream of human flight became a reality? The dawn of aviation was seated in the ancient Greek myth of Icarus, who dared to fly too close to the sun with wings made of wax and feathers. A tragic tale, yes, but a testament to humanity's age-old desire to conquer the skies. Our journey through the annals of aviation history takes us next to the genius of Leonardo da Vinci. In the 15th century, his forward-thinking mind sketched out designs of flying machines, including the ornithopter, a contraption inspired by the flight of birds. His work, though not realized in his lifetime, went on to inspire future generations. In the late 18th century, the Montgolfier brothers, Joseph Michel and Jacques Etienne, brought a new dimension to the dream of flight. They constructed a hot air balloon using the principle that hot air rises in a cooler atmosphere. In 1783, the brothers successfully launched the first manned flight, a significant milestone in the history of aviation. However, the true dawn of aviation as we know it today came with two brothers from Dayton, Ohio, Orville and Wilbur Wright. These bicycle mechanics, armed with an insatiable curiosity and a knack for innovation, were the first to achieve controlled, sustained flight with a powered, heavier-than-air aircraft. On a cold December day in 1903, the Wright brothers' flyer took off from the sandy dunes of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. This 12-second flight, covering 120 feet, marked the birth of the aviation industry. From the mythical wings of Icarus to Leonardo's visionary sketches, from the Montgolfier brothers' hot air balloon to the Wright brothers' powered flight, we see the evolution of a dream. These pioneers, each in their own way, contributed to the foundation of the aviation industry. From mythical wax wings to tangible wood and fabric wings, the dream of flight was finally realized. The dawn of aviation was not just about the technology or the machines, but about the human spirit, the audacity to dream, and the determination to make that dream come true. How did we progress from rudimentary aircraft to the sleek jet planes we see today? This fascinating journey takes us through two pivotal periods in aviation history: the Golden Age and the Jet Age. The Golden Age of aviation, stretching from the 1920s to the 1930s, was a period of rapid innovation and expansion. It was a time when aviation ceased to be the preserve of daredevils and pioneers, and became a viable mode of transport for the masses. This era saw the birth of commercial air travel and the rise of airlines. It was in the Golden Age that we saw the likes of Pan American Airways and United Airlines take to the skies. These airlines played a key role in bridging continents, bringing people closer than ever before. With the advent of commercial air travel, the world became a smaller place. But the world of aviation was not done evolving. As the Golden Age gave way to the 1940s, we entered the Jet Age. This was the time when technology took a giant leap forward. The development of jet engines marked a transformative moment in aviation history. The Jet Age, spanning from the 1940s to the 1960s, was characterized by speed and efficiency. Jet engines, with their power and speed, revolutionized air travel. They made it possible to cover long distances in a fraction of the time. The British were the first to harness the power of jet engines, with the de Havilland Comet being the first commercial jet airliner. Not to be outdone, the Americans soon followed with the Boeing 707. These jet-powered aircraft not only transformed the way we travel but also reshaped global culture, economy, and politics. From the propeller-driven planes of the Golden Age to the jet-powered aircraft of the Jet Age, the story of aviation is one of constant evolution and progress. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of pushing boundaries. The sky was no longer the limit as jet engines propelled aviation into a new era, and as we'll see in the next segment, the story of aviation is far from over. It continues to evolve, propelled by the relentless march of technology and human aspiration. How has technology continued to shape the aviation industry? This is a question that we find ourselves asking as we gaze upon the vast changes that have occurred since the 1970s. As we embarked on this era, computer systems began to find their place in the cockpit. Suddenly, pilots could rely on these digital companions to perform complex calculations in a fraction of a second, enhancing navigational precision and safety. As we moved into the 80s and 90s, the focus shifted towards the development of more efficient engines. Engineers began to harness the power of high-bypass turbofan technology, making aircrafts quieter and more fuel-efficient. This not only reduced the environmental impact of aviation, but also allowed airlines to offer more affordable flights, increasing accessibility for travelers worldwide. The turn of the 21st century brought us into the age of drones. Unmanned aerial vehicles controlled remotely or by onboard computers began to take to the skies. Initially used for military purposes, drones have since found a myriad of uses in the civilian sector. From delivering packages to aiding in disaster relief and performing aerial surveys, drones have revolutionized the way we utilize airspace. In the last few decades, the industry has witnessed an exponential growth in technological advancements, from the integration of augmented reality in pilot training to the use of biometrics for passenger identification. Each new innovation has the potential to increase safety, efficiency, and accessibility in aviation, but technology is not without its challenges. Cybersecurity has become a significant concern as aviation becomes increasingly reliant on digital systems. Nevertheless, the industry continues to adapt and evolve, meeting these challenges head-on. The story of aviation is one of continuous evolution, driven by the relentless pursuit of technological advancements. As we stand on the brink of a new era, we can only imagine what the future holds. Will we see fully autonomous passenger flights, or perhaps the widespread use of electric aircraft? As technology continues to advance, so too does the world of aviation. Just as the pioneers of flight could scarcely imagine the technological marvels of today, we too can only speculate about the innovations that lie beyond our horizon. What role will artificial intelligence play in the future of aviation? This is a question that's been circling the industry for a while now, and it's high time we got into it. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is poised to bring about a revolution in aviation, akin to the leap from propellers to jet engines. With its potential to increase efficiency and reduce human error, AI is all set to redefine the future of aviation. First up, let's talk about predictive maintenance. By using AI, we can analyze a wealth of data from aircraft sensors to predict potential mechanical issues before they become serious. Imagine no more unexpected delays due to mechanical problems. AI can help us ensure that every flight is as smooth and safe as possible. Next, we have autonomous flight. While the idea of pilotless planes might seem a bit far-fetched today, AI has made it a distinct possibility for the future. With advancements in machine learning and robotics, we could see a new era of aviation where flights are managed by AI, reducing the risk of human error and potentially making air travel even safer. But it's not just the planes themselves that will benefit. AI has a big role to play in air traffic control too. With the number of flights increasing every year, managing air traffic is becoming an increasingly complex task. Enter AI, with its ability to process and analyze massive amounts of data in real time. It could streamline air traffic control and make it more efficient than ever. So, from keeping our planes in top shape to potentially flying them, and even managing the skies they fly in, AI is set to play a pivotal role in the future of aviation. It's a future that promises to be more efficient, safer, and more exciting than we can even imagine. With AI, the future of aviation looks to be not just in the skies, but beyond. So where does this leave us? We've journeyed together from the humble beginnings of aviation, where the dream of flight was just a daring aspiration. We've seen the birth of the Golden Age and Jet Age, where the world became smaller and more accessible, thanks to the pioneering endeavors of those who dared to dream big. We've witnessed the impact of technology on modern aviation, turning what was once a dangerous and unpredictable venture into a safe, reliable, and efficient means of transportation. And we've explored the emerging role of artificial intelligence, offering a glimpse into the future of this fascinating industry. What's clear is that the aviation industry is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It's an industry that's never stopped evolving, never stopped pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From the Wright brothers' first powered flight at Kitty Hawk, to the supersonic jets that crisscross our skies today, we've seen a remarkable transformation. And yet, the journey is far from over. As we look to the future, we see an industry on the cusp of another revolution, powered by artificial intelligence. From autonomous drones delivering packages to AI-driven air traffic control systems, the potential applications are as vast as they are exciting. It's a future where the sky is quite literally the limit, and one that promises to redefine our understanding of flight. But perhaps what's most exciting about this journey is not just where we're going, but how we're getting there. It's a journey driven by curiosity, by the desire to explore, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what we know. It's a journey that's as much about the process as it is about the destination. As we stand on the brink of another revolution in aviation, one can't help but marvel at how far we've come from those first daring dreams of flight.